If your English is correct but you still don't sound professional, this video is for you. Don't say hi. Say good morning everyone or good morning everyone, thank you for joining. Good morning everyone, I appreciate your time. Don't say are you free? Say do you have a moment or are you available for a quick discussion? These suggestions are very helpful for formal communication. Don't say I think this is wrong. Say, I have a slightly different perspective or I see it differently. These are helpful for giving your opinion during meetings. Don't say, yes, correct. Say, I completely agree or that's a good point. These are useful for showing agreement professionally. Don't say, no, that's not right. Say, I'm not sure, I agree. Or may I suggest an alternative? These are helpful for expressing disagreement professionally. Don't say it's not my mistake. Say let me check into this or I will check and get back to you. Don't say you didn't send. Say I may not have received it. Could you please resend? These are helpful for managing problems in a professional manner. Don't say tell me your problem. Say how may I assist you today? Don't say wait. Say, could you please hold for a moment? Don't say I don't know. Say, I'm not sure but I will confirm. These are useful for answering phone calls in a professional manner. Don't say send me details. Say, could you please share the details? Don't say reply fast. Say, I would appreciate a quick response. Don't say explain clearly. Say, could you please clarify? And don't say as soon as possible, say at your earliest convenience. These are helpful for writing emails and messages professionally. Don't say maybe we can try. Say I recommend that we review the data again. Don't say if you want. Say I suggest we focus on the main issue first. Don't say this is best. Say this would be the most effective approach. If you use these professional sentences daily, people will notice a change in your confidence.